Christmas wish list for anybody starting up a new YouTube channel or content creation as a anybody really. It doesn't matter what your channel is going to be about. What do they need, Dave? What's on their wish list?
Well, the wish list, and hence their festive hat. I think there are 3 things that I always recommend to make sure you've got, and I'll give you a clue. None of them are to do with camera equipment, because I'm assuming if you want to get into content creation that you've got a decent smartphone of some sorts. Whether it's, it doesn't matter whether it's Android, Apple, we're recording this off our laptops. That camera there is good enough, okay, to sort of get you started and get you going. Now, you do need some couple of tips and tricks, which leads on to suggestion number 1 of a ring light. Now, this is a dirt cheap one. It's got, little USB, it's got a couple of leg stands, and it's got a phone holder. 20 quid from Asda, you can get them everywhere now, dirt cheap. So just please don't spend the earth on it. Or what I've got here set up is that I've got a window behind the camera, so I'm using natural sunlight to shine on my face to sort of give the same effect. Okay, as long as your light source is behind the camera, you can get a really, really good source. So that's number 1, decent light, ring light. Number 2, got a couple of options, but actually only recently I've bought myself a DJI microphone, and it comes in 2 parts. It's got a little receiver which has got a USB-C adapter on here, so fits obviously now into most smartphones. It does come with, if you've got an older Apple product, to their Lightning port. But again, this little microphone has got magnetic bit, so you can attach it to your collar, get it really close. You can even hold it and just have it close. Little fluffy bit to block all the your breathy sounds on there, or if you're recording outside in the wind, etc. And this costs about between 50 and 60 quid, that sort of size. Really, really not that much. If you want to go a bit more and you're a bit more fixed in your location, this is a Yeti mic that I use, and they're about 100 quid or so. But again, if you're starting out and want to do it on the cheap, which I always recommend, get this. Really, really great investment. And then finally, I would go for a Canva Pro subscription for a year. So we use Canva a heck of a lot. So all of our thumbnails are done with Canva. It's great because our virtual assistant, she can share with us and be like, "What do you think of this one?" We can tweak it and whatnot. So we do thumbnails. A lot of our social media posts are all generated. Our invoices are generated in Canva, and there is the option of doing videos in Canva as well. And some of the earlier content in this channel is all done purely on Canva because it's so easy to use and so easy to edit. For 100 quid for the year, and I'm just pitching this that you're wanting to start, absolute bargain, and just go and have a look at it. And I would treat yourself to a subscription if you want to sort of do this in the new year. And that's it. Absolute bargain. So what's that? Certainly around, the 170, 180 mark?
I'd say so. You probably, definitely under 200 quid.
Yeah, exactly that.
Depending on what microphone you get.
Yeah. And I think that's the key. There's so much choice, there's so many ways of doing this, and you can spend thousands on your setup. I think I sort of implore you not to, and just keep it really tight, really simple at first, see if you like to do it, and then slowly build up. And that's it.
Yeah, you can always get the professional microphone later.
Yeah, exactly that. You've got to start somewhere.
Thanks, Dave.
Not at all.